Every business is wasting time and money, but do you actually know where? Inefficient processes, wasted resources, and unnecessary delays are killing productivity. The good news? You don't need an expensive consultant to fix it. Today, I'll show you how to use lean strategy with ChatGPT to pinpoint inefficiencies, streamline operations, and boost performance, step by step, right in front of you. And yes, you can see me prompting ChatGPT step by step in the background to get these insights. Every organization faces inefficiencies, be it redundant processes, excessive administrative tasks, or wasted resources. Lean strategy, inspired by the Toyota production system, helps you identify value streams and eliminate waste, ultimately maximizing customer value. Here's where ChatGPT steps in to supercharge your lean strategy. Identify value streams. Map every process step that creates value. Eliminate waste. Pinpoint and cut out unnecessary steps and delays. Implement a pull system. Align operations with actual demand, not forecasts. Visual management. Use real-time dashboards to monitor progress and adjust on the fly. These ideas are not prepackaged systems. They're strategic concepts you can tailor and implement to transform your operations. Implementing these lean strategy insights is straightforward. Identify and map. Start by listing your key value streams. Eliminate waste. Use AI tools to highlight inefficiencies. Adopt a pull system. Align your processes with real customer demand. Monitor and improve. Continuously measure performance with real-time dashboards. ChatGPT provides the inspiration and guidance. You're in control to customize these ideas to fit your unique business needs. By embracing lean strategy with ChatGPT, you can transform inefficiencies into opportunities, enabling faster decision-making, improved customer satisfaction, and a significant boost in overall performance. The power to innovate is at your fingertips. Ready to drive efficiency and revolutionize your business? Check out these lean strategy insights and see me in action prompting ChatGPT step by step to generate these ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more groundbreaking insights, and join my newsletter. For more resources, visit my Linktree and grab a copy of my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3. Thanks for watching. Let's innovate and succeed together.